Hello learners, welcome to today's activities in mathematics. We are still on multiplication of numbers. We are learning to what? To multiply 2 by what? 1-digit numbers. 1-digit numbers. And what? That is with what? Regrouping. Multiplying 2 by 1-digit numbers into bracket what? Regrouping. Now the regrouping is all going to be about ones, tens, hundreds. Don't forget the rest. Now our key word still remain multiplication. Let's look at today's activity. Now, we are asked to multiply 26 by what? 3. But we are going to use the method of what? Regrouping. The regrouping, this is how it is. Take note of this. This is in ones column. This is in tens column. So we are going to write how many tens do I have here? How many tens? I have 2 tens here. So 2 tens plus how many ones do I have here? 6 ones. 6 ones. Then you multiply by the base number given to you. This is 3. Now look at this carefully. 3 times 6 is what? I taught you some method. It's 18. It's 18. You write your 18 down. 18 what? Ones plus 3 times 2 is what? 6 what? Tens. Alright, don't forget that this in ones column we always have 1 digit. We always have 1 digit in ones column, 2 digits in tens column. So this is what? 18. You write your 8, carry 1. The one you carry, you bring it to the tens column, you add it to this. Plus 1. This is going to be what? 7 tens plus 8 ones. Alright, let's look at this multiplication. 3 times 6 is what? 18. You write 8, carry 1. 3 times 6 is what? 3 times 2 is what? 6 plus 1, 7. So if you want to express this, the answer will never be like this, but rather will be like what? This. Look at this. Look at this. This is 78. So it is telling you that we have 7 tens and what? 8 ones. The next example. 2 times 3 is what? 6. 6. 2 times 4 is what? 8. Another way you do it is expand this. This is 4 tens. 4 tens plus 3 ones. 3 ones. You are multiplying by what? 2. Now look at this. If a good student can look at this and just expand this, we have what? 8 what? Tens plus 6 1. Another simple method is that. Let's look at question 3. Look at it. 5 times what? 3 is what? 15. You write 5, carry 1. 5 times 6 is what? 30. 30 plus 1. Write 31. Now expand this. Regrouping. This is 6 tens plus 3 ones times what? 5. You only expand this. Have you seen it? So this means that we have what? 3 times this is what? 15. 15, you write your 15 here. 15 ones. 15 ones. 5 times what? 6 is what? 30 plus 30 tens. Look at it well, 30 tens. Now, what you do is this is ones. Ones always have how many digits? 1 digit. Tens always have 2 digits. So this one will come to this side. So it will become 3. The one you carry, you bring this one. Look at it. This one, you write your 5. 5 ones plus the one you carry, this one, move it to the next one, plus 1 tens. Then the third one is what? 300. Because hundreds have how many digits? How many digits? Let me write each. How many digits? 3. So that is how it will be. This is each. That is what? 100. Let's look at the other one. 6 times 2 is what? 12. You write 2, carry 1. This is our 12. You write the 2, you carry 1. You add it here. 6 times what? 1 is what? 6 plus 1, 7. Look at it. If you don't know 6 times table, you can say 2 times 6 is the same thing, you get a 12. But make sure you write 12 somewhere. You write this one down and carry this one. Move to the next stage. That is what we have done. So 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1, 7. After that, regroup. You have 110 plus what? 2 ones. Then the other one you multiply by what? 6. The final answer here, you can express it like what? 7 tens plus what? 2 ones. Look at it. Let's quickly look at our last activity for the day. 3 times 7 is what? 21. You write your 1, carry 2. You write it somewhere here. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then you are through with this. Alright, let's regroup this. This is 2 tens plus 7 ones multiplied by 3. So far as you are able to solve this, you regroup this one. 8 tens plus what? 3 ones. Because when you multiply this and this, you solve everything like that. Let's look at it if you get it. 3 times 7 is 21. 21. 21. You write carry 2. This is what? This time this is 21. Carry 2. You write a 2 here. This 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So you still write what? 8 here. So it is the same thing as you expand direct like this. Sorry, look at this carefully. Instead of 81, I've written 83. So this is the expansion. Alright, till we meet again, keep practicing a lot of exercises on this. Let me know about your difficulties. Bye-bye.